Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best wireless backup cameras. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the ZSMJ Wireless Backup Camera Rear View Camera System. ZSMJ has a good song report on the subject of wireless cameras, and consequently this model is bound to create quite a bit of interest. This digital camera comes whole with a package and is appropriate for automobiles, subs and other types of motors. It has the quality of night vision and waterproof protection. This rear view digicam gives 135 diploma viewing perspective and also has 7 LED lighting. The digital camera has a variety of 82 feet to 100 toes in an open vicinity, which receives reduced to 30 to 45 feet even as it smiles set up on a vehicle. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ATA Digital Wireless Backup Camera. Although you could chorus from spending greater on the wireless features of this camera, many rear-view digital camera kits' wirings have been pronounced to be faulted and triggered wiring problems in the different compartments as well, so the ATA BT53328M1 is a safer guess. Not simplest is it wireless, however it may transmit as much as 50 toes at 2.4 GHz. Depth perception is without problems resolved with the resource of nighttime vision and a distance line grid. The IP67 digital camera, which is effortlessly mountable on license plates, offers. At number 3, we have the ZSMJ Wireless Backup Camera. This is an excellent backup digital camera, absolutely wireless, however at the same time, it smiles priced very competitively. It is suitable for small sizes motors, subs and is derived entire with nighttime imaginative and prescient. The recommendations are clean to recognize. Ease of installation is likewise a characteristic which stands proud in this camera. At number 2, we have the Rear View Safety Backup Camera System. The RVS 770613 offers you the complete package deal as one of the most go-to digital camera kits in the marketplace. Cars are becoming pretty expensive, so there ought to not be a purpose to compromise on a decent camera package that may cost a little pinnacle greenback. The IP69K rated, color CCD backup camera is absolutely waterproof, gives a thorough 130-degree viewing perspective. Its 18 infrared lights view up to 50 toes in extremely darkish situations. The outcomes are displayed on a 7-inch digital TFT LCD coloration display that helps generic mount. And finally, at number 1, we have the LeeKooLuu Backup Camera Wireless Kit. LeeKooLuu has come out with this low-value Wi-Fi backup digicam which may be very smooth to put in and use. The camera is powered as it connects to opposite lighting fixtures and works when the car is in reverse tools. It additionally can be powered by way of connecting of strolling lighting or through different resources of the continuous strength source. The motor of the digital camera can be powered on and off with the assist of a cigarette lighter or through some other ignition transfer. It is totally loose from messy wires. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this wireless backup cameras, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.